Hey guys, let's clean my entire house. First, I want to start off by saying how annoying it is that this whole video is maybe 3 minutes tops, and it took me all day to clean this house, guys. We come in our back door, which opens up to the kitchen, so a lot of times things just get thrown here, and it's a catch-all for everything, so I wanted to get this cleaned up first because first impressions matter, y'all. We're moving next to our dining room. This one wasn't super dirty, it was just more cluttered. I restocked my napkins, put the dog food in the actual dog food box so it's not just sitting on the floor. Moved my chairs where they went, and then just did a good old sweeping and then mopping up. I also opened up the doors because, listen, even if it's fake vitamin D, I need it in my life, y'all. I also decorated our hutch to look like the 4th of July stuff because I am having a 4th of July party. Y'all, I can't make this up. This is our bedroom. The dogs love it. You can see them here in the beginning. I ended up having to kick them out because you just can't really clean the bedroom if the dogs are all over the bed, you know? A lot of clothes. I did some sweeping, vacuuming, just tidying up in here, really. This room wasn't really messy. This is our guest room. I like to keep it clean in case anyone needs to come over, needs a place to stay. But I do use this room to sort and fold my laundry because I know it's always clean. And I lay it all out on the bed so I can see what I have. It makes it super easy to put away, etc., etc. I'm just cleaning up some fuzzies from here. Here's our bathroom. Guys, don't come at me for how dirty this is. We are gutting out this bathroom, so we are just working with what we have right now. But just because we're gutting it doesn't mean I want to neglect it. I mean, it can still be semi-cute and have all the decorations, you know. My apologies for this angle. I'm gonna make sure to put a sticker or something over this. Now we have me in my fiance's office. I just really needed to clean the clutter off of my desk, so that's what I'm doing here. Again, like I said, we're doing a lot of home renovations in our house, so don't judge the weird painted walls and the dated carpets. We're working on it, y'all. We're getting married in October, and we're hoping to do a home renovation fund instead of a honeymoon fund. I'll let you know how that goes, but we're going to be doing home renovations regardless, so please stay tuned for all of those. Also, this is my standing desk. I'll have to show you guys sometime. It's so cool. This is our family room. We have a really weird angle in our family room, like how it's set up and everything, but this was pretty clean. I just had to declutter. I did a lot of dusting and sweeping. The dogs were all around in this. I folded the blankets up nice, and you can see my dog Pico sitting on his little seat right there. But that was me cleaning my house today in all day, just in 3 minutes. Thanks, guys.